Welcome to the Tell Me More Now channel. 9 Habits of Likeable People. Please like, share and subscribe to be notified of new videos. Being likable demands being sincere and truthful. Nobody likes insincere and dishonest people. Because they know they can rely on them, people flock toward persons who are sincere. To like someone is tough when you don't know their true character. If you would like to learn more about the habits of likable people, keep watching. 1. They are genuine. Likeable people are honest. You can't be likable if you are constantly lying, it will catch up with you eventually. Likeable people do not pretend. They don't act like anyone else, they are happy with who they are. 2. They give freely. You don't have to give away everything you own to be likable. But being willing to give without receiving anything in return is a key trait of a likable person. Giving isn't limited to money and gifts though, likable people are also willing to give their time. 3. They let others shine. It feels good to be recognized for something that you have accomplished. Likable people will allow you to bask in that glory. They are happy to see you get rewarded and don't hold any jealousy about it. 4. They ask thoughtful questions. It is often said that we should listen 2 times as much as we speak. Likeable people take this a step further. They don't just listen, but they follow up with thoughtful questions that prove they are actually interested in what you have to say. 5. They are positive. It is much more enjoyable to spend time with positive people. They might not be over the top happy at all times, but likable people tend to think and act positively. They will always find the silver lining when you are feeling down in the dumps. 6. They don't pass judgment. Likable people tend to be less judgmental than the rest of us. If they do judge someone, they will do it silently. They believe in live and let live as long as your actions aren't directly harming them or the people around them. 7. They are humble. There are few things worse than spending time in the company of a braggart. While it is perfectly fine to be proud of your accomplishments, talking about them all the time is a bore. Likeable people certainly have accomplishments they are proud of, but they would rather you ask about them first. 8. They take responsibility. No one is perfect, we all make mistakes at one point or another. Likable people are no different, they make mistakes too, sometimes major ones. The difference is they take responsibility. They acknowledge they did wrong, apologize, and then let you know how they plan to make sure it never happens again. 9. They are patient. Likable people are often more patient than others. They don't mind waiting for you to figure out what you want to do. They don't get irritated or annoyed very quickly. They will let you move at your speed, just happy to be in your company. Finally, when looking at the list of habits, if you feel that you lack any of them, do write those down and develop a plan if you want to foster them in your life. Please subscribe to be notified of new videos on health, self-help, and wellness.